Let C be the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 taken in anticlockwise sense. Then the value of the line integral over C and integrand function is 2xy cube plus y dx plus 3x square y square plus 2x dy equals. For this question, 4 options are given to us and we have to find the correct one option. So, first is given curve means circle x square plus y square equal to 1. Origin is center and radius 1. This is circle in clockwise direction like this. Now this line integral over C 2xy cube plus y dx plus 3x square y square plus 2x dy. Using Green theorem, we can easily compute this problem. So I'm going to use Green theorem, and what is Green theorem says, if this line integral over curve C, suppose p dx plus q dy, p is a function of xy and same q is a function of xy, this line integral convert into surface integral partial derivative of q with respect to x minus partial derivative of p with respect to y dx dy. As m dx plus n dy, it is somehow same as exact differential equation. Somehow, not exact. Somehow this you can understand q with x and p with y. Exact differential equation. In exact differential equation, what we have checked, partial m with x and partial n with y, if they are equal, then say exact. If not exact. Same here, q, which one is coming with dy, means q with respect to x and as p is coming with partial change, a small change with respect to x, means partial differential with y. So this surface integral double integral over s 6xy square plus 2 minus 6xy square minus 1 dx dy as partial q with partial x equal to partial upon partial x 3x square plus 3x square y square plus 2x, as it is given to us. You can check here, 3x square y square plus 2x. Now it will be 6xy square plus 2 and partial derivative of p with respect to y will be 6xy square plus 1 as partial derivative of p. And what is p? P is 2xy square y cube plus y will be 6xy square plus 1, as I used this 6xy square plus 1. So I directly use here, and I you can see how we use this partial q with respect to x and partial p with respect to y here. How can we use here? You can check here. So as we have to compute this surface integral over this curve, so we have to find out the reason. So in a rectangular coordinate system, if I compute the surface integral of in first quadrant, then it will be 4 times of 0 to 1, because x is going from here to here, 0 to 1, it is constant limit, and it will be from 0 to square root of 1 minus x square, as x square plus y square equal to 1. So y equal to square root of 1 minus x square, you can see here, and dx dy. So I use first with respect to y, I integrate this integral with respect to y in first 0 to 1, and it will be square root of 1 minus x square dx, because it will be y, and when we use the lower or upper limit, it will be 1 minus x square minus 0, that means square root of 1 minus x square. So I directly use this one. Now you can see this is appear as a square minus x square dx type. So I use the formula square root of a square minus x square. Here a is a equal to 1. So it will be 4 times 1 upon 2 into 1 square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 upon 2 into 1 sine inverse x, and limits are from 0 to 1. So 4 times, as I use upper limit here, so it will be 0, so entire will be 0, entire first term, so it will be half sine inverse 1, half sine inverse 1, that will be 4 times half and sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1, it means value of sine pi by 2 equal to 1. So I use here, so 4 into half, and it will be pi by 2. 2 to the 4, 4 cancel out by 4. So final answer is pi. So correct option is option C. Option C is right one.